In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam when it gets stuck in offline mode. If you've encountered this issue, you're not alone, and thankfully it's a pretty straightforward fix. So, let's dive right in and get your Steam back online in just a few simple steps. First things first, the initial step is to open your Task Manager. Task Manager is that handy little tool in Windows that provides detailed information about the programs and processes running on your computer. You can open Task Manager by right-clicking on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the menu. Alternatively, a quick shortcut is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key and it will pop right up. Once you're there, you'll see a lot of tabs and information, but don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. Next, let's focus on Steam. In Task Manager, you'll find a list of all the applications currently active on your computer. Scroll down until you find Steam on the list. Once you've located Steam, right-click on it. A menu will appear and from there choose End Task. Ending the task is essentially closing the program completely, not just minimizing it or closing a window endpoint. It's an important step because sometimes Steam might just need a fresh start to switch from offline to online mode. Now that we've closed Steam, the next move is to log back into your Steam account. Simply relaunch the Steam application by double-clicking its icon. You might be prompted to log in again depending on your settings. Ensure you have your login details handy so you're ready to go. Once you've logged in, you should be greeted by the familiar Steam homepage. Here comes a key part. On the Steam homepage, navigate to the upper left corner. You'll see the word Steam, which is actually a drop-down menu, so go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down list, find and select Go Online. Clicking this should initiate the transition from offline to online mode. You'll likely notice some brief loading, but within moments your client will reconnect online, allowing you to interact with the multiplayer features or any updates that require connectivity. And that's it. These steps should quickly bring your Steam application back to its normal online status, allowing you to join your friends and enjoy your games without a hitch. If you find this solution doesn't solve the problem, ensure your internet connection is stable and consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy gaming!